Guys, this is Girish Lakshan for your C++ tutorial 2. And I'm really sorry for the late. I had some sort of medical conditions and I was playing PUBG, so I couldn't reach out to you. I'm really sorry. And today I'm going to be showing you what are variables. Okay? So, variables. If any of you who are all listening, I know you'll be at least a minimum of 12 years or something. So you must have graduated 6th grade, right? So that's the points. You will learn what are variables. And according to your teacher or your syllabus, variables must have been the values that can be altered or finally you solve and get a specified value to a variable. Like there's an equation x squared minus 4x plus 3 equals 0, and you finally get x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1. That is the value of the variable. So x can be anything. In C++, variables are nothing but you can store information. That is variables. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. And one more thing, this thing I always use, using namespace std. This is used for typing my output word. Remember cout, right? I can type it like this directly. If it's not here, I'm gonna put like iOS, and this shit should come back, and that's totally that's I'm lazy to do that. Okay, so we started an int main. Okay, so and students from India, you have to know that int is just a return type, and most of our Indian syllabuses cover like void main, and both of them can be used. It's not a problem. I use int main. It's preferably int main code blocks. So changing the slangs. Okay, so now I'm going to introduce a variable of integer type. So the return type comes first, like int, followed by the variable. Let's say a, and I should let's say I give it a value. I give it like a equal 3, and then if I'm going to include another variable, I have to separate it by the comma operator. It's just a comma, and you call it an operator officially. So I put it in like this, and I get b. Okay, so b. Now two variables. Now I'm gonna ask the user, the user, input for it. Okay. Now I get cin. Cin is for getting input, so I get b. And now I'm gonna see out this thing. Okay. And I'm gonna use something new. You don't need to worry about that. The slash n is for coming to the next line. It is just a special character, \n. It's like just I come to the next line. If I'm typing here in the output screen, it comes down. Okay, so it's /n, the value a and b. Let's say a comma and a. And I'm going to include this thing for I need a space, okay? I just need a space for my convenience of the program. So now I'm going to return 0. Return 0 just indicates that the program is done to the compiler. I'm just telling you each and every time so that I could just revise whatever I told, okay? So I'm going to save it Control plus S, and I'm going to build the program. And come on, yeah, it seems good. So I'm gonna run the program now. Come on, come on. Don't worry, it's just messing. I'll give the value of b to be like 10. Okay, and I click enter so that it gets the value. Enter. The value of a and b. Like already, we gave a value to be 3, right? And b value to be 10. So I'm gonna get a, that's a value 3, space 10. And I'm gonna check the output window, 3 space 10. Okay? Yeah, so this is today's C++ tutorial, and variables tutorials. You did greatly. I hope you understand. And in the next tutorial, I'll be covering the small, like the cascading and the basics of COC and some special characters. So have a great day. Cheers.